All right, and welcome everyone to Category Tutorial Notes. And so categories, or a category, it tells how words are related, how they're connected or grouped to each other. And two common categories that you will see pop up time and time again, especially when it comes to your vocabulary words, are synonyms and antonyms. So, synonyms, they're words that mean the same or almost the same. So we have the word sad, and it means the same as upset. And then we have happy, means the same as excited. Big, large, small, little, fast, quick. So those are all synonyms. They all mean the same. So you see these words grouped together, those are synonyms. So in a nice way I like to, going back to this previous, the way I like to remember it is also synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same, and always remembering this S, okay? Always remembering that S, okay? Now, you have the same. Now, antonyms are the anti, they are the opposite. So the words that have the opposite meaning. So you have the word sad, happy. Those are opposites. Big, small. Fast, slow, strong, weak. So those are opposite meanings words. Okay, those are grouped together because they're opposites. So what you will see is something very similar to this question in your grammar assignments. So the question asks you, which word is a synonym for tall? So it's asking which word has the same meaning as tall. So we have here short, small, tiny, and big. So which one means the same as tall? And I'll give you a second. The correct answer is, if you chose big, that is correct. Big is the same as tall. It's the synonym. Because short, small, and tiny are the opposites. They're the antonyms of tall. Okay? Next one. Which word is an antonym for angry? So we have joyful, upset, frustrated, bothered. So looking here, which one is the opposite of angry? So when you're angry, what would be the opposite of that? And you have the correct answer is, all right, if you chose joyful, you were correct. Now, joyful means the same as happy. So the opposite of angry is joyful. You're happy. Now, upset, frustrated, and bothered, they're synonyms for angry. They all mean the same. Okay? So remember, you just got to make sure you're reading the questions carefully. They're asking for a synonym, a word that means the same, or antonym, the opposite. Okay. Now, also, they're going to ask you in some of these, and when it comes to categories, they ask you for types of. So they give you here red, blue, and green are types of what? What are they types of? And they fall under what category here? And we have weather, people, color, and food. And the correct answer is correct, color. Okay, they're all types of color. Now, next one. Which are descriptions of or kinds of people? So which ones describe people, or they describe the kind of people? Okay, we have big, we have small, we have tall, and we have pencil. Now sometimes there may be more than one answer. And you look here, and 3 items describe people. One does not. The correct answer is, yes, big, small, and tall. Those all describe the type of people. Like, oh, he's tall, or she's small, or he's big, or he or she is tall. So again, it's descriptions or kinds of people. Those would be categories. Pencil is something you write with, so that wouldn't describe somebody. Next one. So these are all the different examples that you will see on your grammar assignment. I hope you found this helpful. Again, this is category, and these are just how words are related to each other or grouped together. So keep an eye out for the next tutorial video, and I hope you found this helpful. Thank you.